Alright guys, we're finally loaded up. I just picked up David, we got his quad. We're gonna head out on my mule deer hunt. David has an elk tag, so we're gonna go out a few days early and see if we can find some elk. He spotted about 80 head with 9 spikes in it, so we're gonna go see if we can get one of them tonight or tomorrow. And then Saturday my general season rifle tag opens and we'll see if we can get a buck up here on this unit. Never hunted it before, but he was up on the elk hunt a couple days ago and said he saw a few nice ones, so hopefully we can get into them. But
we got some good footage of the elk hunt, but no elk in it, so I don't know if I'll put it on or not. Kind of boring.
Anyway, all right, well, we'll pick you up when we get up there and see what we can find. All right, guys, we're to the spot. I'm to the spot. Josh has forgot his bullets in the truck, so he had to double time it back to get the bullets, but I wanted to get up here and get the spot before somebody else did. I mean, we're hunting public land. Gonna be a lot of guys up here. So I got here. We're gonna be watching this real beautiful face. I also wanted to just say I didn't get video. I forgot my phone at home yesterday. No joke. But I did shoot a spike. I have small videos throughout the hunt. They're probably kind of boring, but hopefully I can make a video out of it. We'll see. You'll have already seen them if I can, but I guess I'll do that right now while I'm waiting for him. We'll just turn you back on when it gets light. First 4 deer of the morning. Well, the early morning hunt's over. I come down here to hike up through these pines, see if I couldn't kick something out in the opening for Josh. Oh, there goes another one. About 20 grouse flew off in here. I got one with my pistol. The other one landed right here somewhere, but I think that might have been him I just heard taking off. Every step I took, another one take off. They were all, if I'd had a shotgun, I could have had 10 of them probably. I mean, that was more than the limit, I'm just saying. That was awesome. I was hoping to get one on video, but by the time I got done messing around watching them all, they all took off. But every time I think that, another one takes off, so I did get the one though. Well, I don't see any more. If I do, I'll turn you back on and I'll go retrieve the one I got. I need old Rocky with me. So I came down to see what all the fuss was about. He told me to run down in them trees because there was more. And so here's the spoils of a 10-minute shoot, man. He shot that one. Look at that. He about took that thing's head clean off with his pistol. That's pretty good shooting. But he got 4, I got 2. That's a big bird, dude.
Big and delicious.
That's a big bird.
Well, he's big, but
Lost half of it.
Skinned him a little bit, but most of his breast.
Yeah, it's all breast up there, and his drums if we want them.
You can't beat a grouse hunt like that with the.
Yeah.
Oops. You can't beat a grouse hunt like that with a pistol. That was fun. I had a blast.
So we're thinking now we might just little glass and knoll and
show them where we're gonna glass.
Have a fire. I showed him a minute ago, but oops. So we're gonna glass this again up in these fingers. All this sagebrush here, and then up in here is like this big granite canyon. So we're gonna try to glass that too. But we're going to sit and have a little fire and roast one of these little pine hens up. They are sure pretty birds. All right, guys, well, it's the end of day one. Opening day is in the books with nothing on it. Check out that sunset. We're gonna head back to the house. We found some bucks. You probably will see those here in just a second, or I'll put them in before this, but I think we're gonna take the horses and get up into that canyon where they are. There's I don't know, I think we counted 8. There's 6 to 8 bucks in there. 2 of them were definitely shooters. The rest of them were probably on the border of it. But anyway, we will see y'all in the morning. All right, guys, day 3. Seen one good buck yesterday, one little smaller buck. We're gonna head up in today. Got old Rooster the mule. That'll be David's mount. And then we got big old Mr. Seiko here. We're gonna try to get up the trail. Hopefully find a good one. By the time we hiked up there yesterday, what were we, 8 miles? 7 miles? 6? We did 6 miles yesterday. But by the time we got to the top where we had seen the deer the night before, we were all pretty spent, so we're gonna let the horses do the work today. And we'll tie them up at the bottom, and then we can get up into that big bowl and hopefully get into some good stuff. So we'll see you guys down the trail.
All tuckered out.
bucks, one shooter. We got clear up here in the nosebleeds. They're all the way at the top up there. Oh, they're not at the top. They're right there. About 750. We're trying to get 600.
Okay, guys. I think Josh just hit a 3-point. Pretty sure it was a good hit. You didn't get on video, of course. Happened kind of fast. We hiked our tails off. Went up 6 miles on Sunday, and then
brutal miles.
Yeah. Yesterday we rode the horses up it, and then still hiked way past that. Got on some bucks, a real big buck, but they gave us a slip, and it got too late on us, so
God, I hope I hit him.
we came down here, and
It's hard to tell. You said he kicked funny?
he kicked funny. I had him right in the binos. I just couldn't tell. When he's walking through the trees, it looked like he was walking kind of normal, but I've seen weirder things. It's
Normally, when you hear the bullet hit, you hear a thwap, but I got this ridiculous muzzle brake on this thing. And we spotted him so fast that I didn't even have time to put my ear pro on, so my head is ringing. Let's go down there and see if there's no
I
blood.
think he hit him.
Thwap, which makes me nervous. But
There's this alfalfa field right here. And if it is, it's the same buck. I watched him a couple days ago. That's why we came up here. That's all private, obviously, but this is all BLM. So we just came up here to wait, and sure enough, him and a bigger 2-point come off. Started coming up the hill here.
he was on this hill right here, right?
Yep.
So
Well, let's go see if we can find some blood. All right, we're on the trail. There's definitely.
let me zero out in case he jumps up and runs.
Oh, that's a good idea. He's no monster, but he'll eat good. Coming off that alfalfa field, that's gonna be the best deer you've ever ate.
Looks like there's a little bit of lung tissue in this blood, so
I doubt he'll be
there's his
far.
tracks.
Yep.
Yeah, he's running.
I'm pretty sure that's the same one I got video of the other day, which will be cool.
Yeah.
You know, you can see him beforehand.
Cut around the tree here. Oh, why'd the blood stop? That's not good. Oh, here it is.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's all over.
Slowing down though.
Keep your eyes up, because
Was that 2-point in front of him? Yeah, look, he's fucked up. Look how he's running.
oh, he stopped right there. Look at that slide.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
He's probably dead right around this corner.
Maybe. Up that way.
Oh yeah. Oh, look at this tree.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yep.
Blood stops right here again. Fuck, where'd it go?
These tracks go this way.
Looks like they stop
Here.
right there. Do they turn? Or is it just because he's running over this hard shit? Look, there's blood right there too.
Oh yeah, so he must turn left.
Fuck, we're gonna have to do a circle right here and look for blood. And if we got it right here and then turn around.
Oh, he's right there. He's right under that tree.
Oh shit.
Dang.
Man, he crawled up in there, didn't he?
Well, see how he hit the skids over there?
Yeah.
He freaking... There he is. Oh, that's a 3-point. It's a 2-point.
Oh, I shot the 2-point?
Oh, you go, man. You shot the upper one.
Fuck.
I know. I thought I kind of heard it hit, but he wasn't. Maybe they're both 2 points.
No, the other one was definitely a 3. I seen it clear as day.
Really? Oh well. Buck down, buddy.
Shot was a little high, a little far back. Still popped that lung though.
He's gonna be good eating. That's gonna be.
I thought it was that 3-point for sure.
That's gonna be some good
Yeah. Oh well.
alfalfa fed meat
good
right
meat.
there.
All right.
Well, it's a good thing we didn't see that 3-point jump up, because we'd have dropped him
Seriously.
thinking that's when you
Yeah.
shot.
That's the way the cookie crumbles. Thanks, buddy. Cool. Cool. All right, well, guess better go get my shit.
Okay, guys. Just about wraps up the year as far as big game. We got 4 deer, an antelope, and an elk. All we got left is to get my sister a buck with her extended archery tag. But we didn't want to leave camp yet, so we called my buddy Matt back up and we came up, do a little grouse hunting before we head out. This is where there had to have been 20 in here. So I'm just gonna mosey through. They're waiting down below. See if I can't kick them out of here. It's a little later in the day, so I don't know if they're probably a little farther down maybe. I feel like they're up high in the mornings and down in deeper in the afternoons, but we're gonna find out here in a minute. Hopefully I can get some video.
All right, guys. Well, it's been a couple days. We're back home. Got to go back to work tomorrow. We didn't record much there at the end. We did some grouse hunting, as you see a little bit of. We didn't get any of it on film, but we did end up getting 6 more grouse. My buck, we got all processed up. We took the head off, the skin off, the tenderloins out, threw it in some game bags. I normally do all my own processing, but we called down to Thompson's Smokehouse and it was only $110 to do the whole shebang. That's steaks and burger. So I just took it over there. I got the head home, getting the Euro mount started on him. But it was a fun hunt all in all. That was the Ophir Stansberry unit, general season rifle tag. We seen several good bucks, but just couldn't seal the deal on any of them. They didn't come out until right before the sun went down, and we always had a long hike out or ride out, and we just couldn't put it together this year. But now we know where they are. My brother should draw that tag next year. Make sure you go down and subscribe and hit that like button. We appreciate all the support we can get, and hopefully by the time I'm back on here, this will all be back, because I'm not used to not having it. All right, we'll see y'all later.